Welcome guys to another course, Mastering Customer-Centric Strategies. Now, this is not relatable to advertising, but it's actually relatable to selling online. So whether you are using advertising or any other channels to sell. So this is very important to understand your customers and be strategic about them. So in today's highly competitive business landscape, understanding and meeting customer needs has never been more critical. So companies are increasingly focusing on customer-centric strategies to build stronger relationships, drive loyalty, and enhance overall satisfaction. So with a vast array of tools and technologies available, businesses can now take a more structured approach to analyzing and improving the customer experience at every stage of the journey. So from segmenting markets, profiling customers, to using advanced analytics and personalization strategies. So the goal is to create a meaningful, relevant, and engaging experience for each customer. One of the core components of a successful customer experience strategy is market segmentation. So by dividing a broad market into smaller, more defined groups, businesses can tailor their products, services, and marketing efforts to the unique needs and preferences of each segment. This approach not only improves targeting, but also enhances the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. So finally leading to a higher conversion rates and customer satisfaction. So alongside segmentation tools such as customer profiling, user experience research, and journey mapping, offer deeper insights into customer behaviors and preferences, so allowing businesses to fine-tune their offerings. Furthermore, the rise of data-driven techniques such as predictive analytics, customer journey orchestration has revolutionized how businesses interact with the customers. So companies can now anticipate customer needs, optimize touch points, and deliver personalized messages in real time. Coupled with strategies like loyalty programs, customer co-creation, and advocacy programs, these approaches not only improve the customer experience, but also foster long-term relationships and sustained business growth. So we will talk and explore various methods and strategy that companies can adapt to stay ahead in delivering exceptional customer experiences.